Do you ever feel like you're just going through the motions, stuck in a rut, and can't seem to break free from your current situation? Have you been searching for someone to help guide you towards a more fulfilling and successful life? Well, today we're going to talk about how a success coach can help you take control of your life and reach your full potential. The four main questions I'm going to answer in this episode are: what is a success coach and what do we do? Why do people need success coaches? How does the coaching process work? And what are the benefits of having a success coach? Now, I do want you to know that I won't be going into super deep detail with regards to these questions in this episode, but I will briefly answer these questions. And I promise you, if you stick with me, stick with the podcast or the YouTube channel, I promise you, you will get the answers to these questions in detail in a variety of episodes and videos. Before I get into how you can benefit from hiring a success coach like me, please smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the tips I release each week. What is a success coach and what do we do? Well, a success coach is a professional who should be certified and is someone who helps individuals identify their goals, overcome obstacles, and create roadmaps to success. We offer guidance, support, and accountability to help you achieve your desired outcome. Why do people need success coaches? Well, people need success coaches for various reasons, such as to achieve personal or professional growth, to improve relationships, to increase self-confidence, or simply to lead a happier and more fulfilling life, whatever that means to them. How does the coaching process work? Well, the coaching process typically involves regular sessions with your coach. And if you're with me, I suggest that we meet once a week at least. And we discuss your challenges, set achievable goals, and develop an action plan to reach those goals. I listen, offer insight, and provide guidance to help you overcome obstacles and stay on track. What are the benefits to having a success coach? I personally help my clients gain clarity, stay focused and motivated, and achieve greater success in their personal and professional lives. I also help them build self-awareness, increase self-confidence, and improve their relationships with others. I have systems that are proven that I use on myself and that I've used on so many people throughout the years. And because of those interactions with things I was struggling with, and then with the people that I've coached over the years, I've gotten to really refine those systems, and I use those systems with my various clients. And I just got to let you know, if you're willing to put in the work, I can help you too. So if you're ready to take control of your life and start thriving, then now is the time to invest in yourself and take advantage of the benefits of having a success coach like me in your life. Click on the link in the description to apply for coaching and start your journey to a happier, more successful life. Remember that your potential is limitless, and with the help of a success coach like me, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.